Hello wonderful friends. Welcome to Ayla's wonderful world. So happy you're here. Let's discover something amazing together. Life cycle of a ladybug. What if I told you ladybugs go through an amazing journey to grow up? Let's find out together. Look at these cute little ladybugs. They have bright red, yellow, or orange shells. They have 6 tiny legs and they love to munch on leaves. Did you know ladybugs start as tiny eggs? Mama ladybug lays them safely under a leaf. Then pop out hatch little baby ladybugs called larvae. After hatching, you'll see these little larvae. They're small and black with tiny spikes. Their favorite snack: yummy aphids and other little bugs. Now, something amazing happens. Our little larvae attach themselves to a leaf, like they're taking a nap. They wrap themselves in a special, safe blanket called a pupa. It's like a secret cocoon, getting ready for a big change. After a short sleep inside their pupa, guess who wakes up? A full-grown ladybug. They spread their shiny, colorful wings, covered in spots, and fly off. They'll search for tasty treats and then lay their own tiny eggs, starting the ladybug life cycle all over again. Time to match. Can you point to where each word goes? Think about it. Alright? Time to reveal the answers. Let's see if you got them all right. Do you have any questions about ladybugs? Or maybe you just want to tell us your favorite ladybug fact? Ask us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Did you also know that ladybugs can play dead when they're scared? It's like a funny trick to protect themselves. And guess what? Sometimes they can even let out a yucky smell to say, "Leave me alone." Also, when winter comes and it gets super cold, ladybugs find cozy spots to take a long nap. They're winter sleepers. And the ladybugs we usually see with red and black spots are just one type. There are actually many different kinds of ladybugs with all sorts of amazing colors and patterns. That's all for today, amazing friends. If you loved learning about ladybugs, please like this video, subscribe to Ayla's wonderful world, and share it with your friends. See you next time.
Ayla's wonderful world.